Hello everyone, welcome to Nimble MH Company. Here is our swing thread factory. MH Company is the leading company in garments, accessories, and tailors material. We own our own swing thread factory. Now in the video, you can see our swing thread factory. In each month, we can produce 2,500 tons of swing thread. This is the biggest capacity in China. So today I will show you our swing thread factory. Let's go, friends. Come on. Dear friends, we are inside our factory. Look, the empty container is waiting for loading. This zone is for the materials that need to be checked. And here it is for the material that just arrived. Now let's go have a look. Yesterday we have arrived new batch of raw material. You see, and he is checking. He will go into checking the raw materials that just arrived yesterday. Now he will take this bobbin of raw materials to the laboratory to check the quality. Yeah, now we come to our test central. And in the test central, when we receive the raw material, we will make the basic testing. And for example, for the yarn density and the twist and the yarn force and for stress force and evenness and also hairlessness testing. After that, and we will issue a report of the quality. If the quality passed our stand, then we will accept this raw material. If the quality is not past our quality standard, we will refuse to accept the raw material. Evenness is very important. Last year, we have imported the Wooster machines for checking the yarn evenness. So now it is very convenient, and we can get a lot of details of the yarn. Friends, last year our factory have developed waterproof thread. On the right, it is our waterproof thread. You can see, yeah, it will be always keep it dry. When we put it into the water, it will be on the top of the water. Yeah. Look, but on the left, it is our usual thread. Once it put into the water, the thread will become wet and go down of the water very quickly. Okay. After checking the quality, if the raw material have passed our standard quality, standard of quality, our QC will stick a label on each package of the raw materials. On the label, there will be information of the yarn density and of the order numbers and the date of production. In this case, the raw material will be not confused for different orders. These raw materials are low white. So the next step is to go into dyeing the raw materials according to the customer's request. Now let's go have a look. Dear friends, when we receive the raw materials, it is in such bobbins. It is 1,250 grams for one bobbin. But you can see this is paper cones. It cannot be used for dyeing. So we will change the cones into the dyeing cones that will be possible for dyeing. Look. This is the machine, and okay, this cones will be possible to for dyeing process. Yeah, we call this process is changing the cones. Now the yarn is on the dyeing cone. Cones are still very tiny, so we need to make it loose for dyeing process. Look, our workers is press these cones, and after press and these cones will be more loose. It will be more suitable for dyeing because the dyeing material will go inside of the cones. And dear friends, you can see on the cones there's still the label, and on the label it will be the contract number and the material and which batch this is the material from which batch. So in this case, the orders will be not confused and will be not fixed the material. Friends, now all these cones are ready for dyeing now, and on this we will still put a label on these yarns as we talked, and it will show our workers this yarn is for which order. Look, our worker is coming to take the bobbins to the dyeing house. Dear friends, now let's follow our workers and go to the dyeing house. Now we are coming to our dyeing house. Let's go. This is our dyeing house. All the machines, all the equipment is new. Is updated last year. For workers, just take these bobbins to the dyeing house. Okay. Now all these materials are ready for dyeing. Yeah, you can see on this cones there are still labels of the material, of the specifications and order numbers. In this case, in our dyeing house, the material is all the workers still know which this raw materials is for which order. Okay, now let's have a look. Yeah, all the cones will be put into these tubers, and the whole tuber will be put into the dyeing machine. So this bobbins is ready after loading, and now this bobbins will go into the dyeing machine. And for this here we have 500 kilograms. Yeah, you can see now these bobbins will be put into the dyeing machine. Yeah, the dyeing materials was already at the dyeing machine. Yeah, these machines, the dyeing material is controlled automatic. So once we start, it will go into the dyeing machine automatically. For this machine, we can dye 500 kilograms one time. He is our experienced master. Now he is controlling the dyeing machines. You can see here, and there are the numbers of the machine number, and each equipment is control each different machines. You can see here, all our dyeing machines is automatically controlled. So in this case, we can control the temperature of the dyeing machine, how long time. So after the dyeing process is finishing, they will take out the bobbins, but all the bobbins is still wet. Now they will come to the drying machine. Here, this is the dyeing machines you can see, and it is also automatically. And this bobbins is already dry. After finishing the dyeing process, we will take some samples from the bobbins that just finished from the dyeing machines, and our master will check the color is correct or not correct. Ensure that our customer will receive the correct color. This is the dyeing laboratory. Different sometimes when we judge the color is correct or not correct, because it's very difficult. So MH company have this color dot 600 machines to see to judge the colors. It's correct or not correct. MH company have color card of 800 colors, but some friends said they like their own color card. It is no problem for us. We have the automatic dissipation system to make the formula of your colors. If you can offer us your color card or color samples, we will make color samples first for you for your checking. This is the system to get the formula of each color. Once we get it, we will make small samples. This is our echo dyers to make minimum samples for our customers. If the colors is correct, we will start to winding them into small bobbins. Now we will show you our workshop of winding. This is our winding workshop, and we will once the big bobbins are ready after dyeing, we will start to winding. Now in our factory we use a high-speed machine to finishing the winding process. This is our high-speed winding machine. The biggest advantage of high-speed winding machine is that the oil coating is controlled automatically. So from the inside of the bobbin to outside, the oil coating is very equal. And the second advantage of the high-speed winding machine is that the shape of each bobbins are very equal. They looks almost the same. We have imported SSM machine. It is a very good machine for winding. Now only a few companies in China have this machine. This is our automatic packing line. We can stick labels, top labels, out labels, and shocking pack on this line. Dear friends, before we ship the thread to our customers, our laboratory will make a test of sewing performance. We only load the thread to our customers that have good sewing performance. Now, our QC is making testing of sewing performance.